Ever wished you could transport your subject to anywhere imaginable? Today, we're unlocking that magic in CapCut by completely transforming video backgrounds. Let's dive right into CapCut and get started first. Ensure your main video clip, the one with the subject whose background you want to change, is placed on the primary track of your timeline. This is the footage we'll be working with. Now, we need to bring in our new background. Go to the Overlay option in the bottom menu. From there, select Add Overlay. This will allow you to import either an image or another video clip that will become your new background. Once your new background is imported, position it on the timeline directly above your main subject clip. Make sure its duration matches or exceeds the length of your primary video. With your subject clip still selected, look for the Remove Background option in the toolbar. This is where the magic starts to happen. CapCut offers different methods to remove the background. For a clean, uniform background like a green screen or blue screen, Chroma Key is your best friend. Select Chroma Key. Then use the eyedropper tool to click directly on the background color you want to remove. In this case, we're targeting the green screen. You'll likely need to adjust the intensity and shadow sliders to perfectly isolate your subject and remove any remaining green or blue hues. Experiment with these until your subject looks crisp and natural against the transparent area. If your background isn't a uniform color, or if you only want to remove a specific part of the background, Mask is the tool for you. You can choose from preset shapes like a rectangle or circle, or select Custom to draw a precise outline around your subject. Carefully draw around your subject, ensuring you capture every detail. The area outside your mask will become transparent, allowing the background clip below to show through. And there you have it. Your subject is now seamlessly integrated into a brand new environment. You can further refine the placement, scale, and rotation of both your subject and background layers to achieve the perfect visual effect for your story. This technique opens up a world of creative possibilities for your videos.